Buenos días y alegrías, mi familia. All right then. So guess what? Guess what? Oh, Divine Mother is glorious in her beauty and her light and her essence of her truth. And you know what that is? She has revealed to me how many children of God, not just myself, and I know why I put myself in it, to break the chains. Make me water, make me sway, make me lose my mind, make me turn away. Okay, this is gonna be deep, y'all. This is gonna be deep. The way we heal is by diving deep. I got your back, and it's where we go. Into the flow. Oh! All right. Now, when we were children, a spell was put on us. Not a spell. I heard a binding. So they bind you down from your solar plexus. Thank you, Divine Mother, Ascended Masters, Ancestors, and everyone on my spirit team who has shown me, who has taught me, who has given me the strength to persevere through any energies that is projected at me and sent my way. Anyone who failed to take me out and take me down. For Divine Mother is with me, and all of her ascended beings. Star seeds, thank you. I want you to take heed, people. Take heed to what I'm saying. When they bind you from your solar plexus, that is the yellow chakra, that is the gate out of hell. Did you hear what I said? That is the last gate, portal, as the demons say it, for you to get out of hell. Look into my eyes and tell me what it is you see. The reason that they bind you at your solar plexus, to take dominion of you. I threw these cards down, and I know people are like, don't follow these tarot readers. I'm not a tarot reader. I'm a seer. I'm a serpent initiator. I am here to show you a way out. Trust and believe that I'm here to set you free. It is my duty, it's my obligation. It is the reason why I am here. And why I have entangled myself into certain families. To take dominion over you. I'll show you my cards. Oh, I guess the ancestors don't want me to show you. You either believe or don't believe and lead by faith. Okay? Trust, right? That's what they would tell you. People who want you to trust them, they say automatically, well, trust me, I have your best interest in the state of mind. Look, y'all, I wasn't the only one who was duped into believing this shit. I was raised in a household with many witches that I had no idea. Because it wasn't like they had an altar. It wasn't like clear and transparent. It wasn't obvious at all. Yeah, my mom would light a candle, no big deal. We would go to church, no big deal. But there was like things in between that you would see that you were like, the fuck? What the fuck? Now, what has been told to me is that this has been happening through eons of millennia. And I just heard, since Babylon, the binding of children, the binding of the solar plexus to take dominion over who you are. And if you look at the card of the dominions, because I'm going to take it to top, right? You see that symbol right there? Mars. Where is Mars in your chakra system? It is in your solar plexus. There's two. Remember that God has it for two. We come together in pairs. The solar plexus has the sun and Mars position. So whatever your sun placement is and whatever your Mars placement is, that is the power of your solar plexus. Which, for instance, take mine, Taurus and Taurus. Full on Taurus. My horns. Mess with the bull, you're gonna get the horns. And to all those people who attach themselves to me, you're done fucked up. Because now I'm gonna grab the cord and I'm gonna take you for a fucking ride and see how that feels. But two, look, two of wands. And it fell into the reverse position. Fell into the reverse position. In the upright, this is God's love. God's love is mercy. And here I wrote the physical and the spirit together. This is where your sun and your Mars position is. Mars is technically the position of your blood. Mars. That didn't feel right. Spirit, ancestors, what is Mars? Red. The red code. And I'm looking at 3223. That is also where they hold the position of the dark matrix on 2332. If you look at all the basketball players and all the football players that have those numbers, it's like a duality for you to fall into the duality. Into the falling of this duality is for you to attract only, and hear me, only fucking karmics. That's why they bind your solar plexus. Because here, I'm looking at the book of the chakras. Watch it, the book of the chakras. It says here, third chakra possibilities, opportunities, obstacles. Obstacles and the energy I've been feeling like, right? Because they're losing their fucking mind because I've been cutting off all these motherfucking cords. But then the last ones, I'm like holding on to them like, it was you, motherfucker. It was you. Holding on to them. Because my mother told me to. It's okay. Okay. I'm going to show you how. And so, on the obstacle, we have power, hunger. I had been feeling a hunger. And even though I ate breakfast, right? I had my oatmeal with my fruit or whatever, or my yogurt, parfait, whatever, you know? because I've been watching my figure because I'm sexy. Or we take care of ourselves so that we don't fall into the habit of, like the family did, of all that illnesses, of dis-ease. Yes. Okay. Power hungry. The opportunity is shares power. And that you would be able to share your power with people, like-minded souls, individuals, as yourself. But if they have binded you, that means they only want you to attract karmics. So every time, and even though you ran away from your family member that hurt you, you would run into a new person, right? And you're like, oh my God, this is great. This is wonderful. Thank you. You know, let's say it's a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Turns out they're also a karmic. Because you find out later, because they breadcrumb you, gaslight you, manipulate you, because they do the same thing. They have made breeds of people like this. Their hive mind. Now do you understand why it's called the hive mind? They bred them into doing this so that it always occurs. Listen to the obstacles. Dominating, aggressive. I have always said I'm not this aggressive person. It was a learned behavior. I learned how to be like this. I learned mental illness. I learned gaslighting, breadcrumbing, all that shit. Why did the screen go dark? I'm like, why is the screen dark? That's Divine Mother, dude. When she comes through, she gets mad. We have, okay, so dominating and aggressive. What's the opportunity? Confident and capable. Arrogant, we have knowledgeable. Power hungry, shares power. Authoritarian, we have respectful and democrat. I don't like that word because it's got fucking demon in it, but whatever. I want to say Republican. Because I liked how Stan Lee did it when he created people. When he created people in his comic books, he made them have the same letter of the first name and the same letter of the last name, like Peter Parker, PP.